Hello guys, this is Grand Vitara. This car comes with 2.4 liter engine, 4 cylinders. Today I'm gonna show you how its 4-wheel drive gonna work. This car comes with 3 driving modes: 4 high lock, and 4 low. The car is in 4i. 4i means your car is all-wheel drive. It's all the time it's in 4-wheel drive mode. When you want to make it, or you're going for off-road or a snow, you can just lock the differential. Once it is locked, the force will be divided between front wheel and back wheel simultaneously with 50-50. And if you're stuck somewhere or you need to tow out heavy road or for a rock climbing or a crawling like power, you just need to push it and turn it to a lock mode. Then the differential will be locked. As soon as you switch it on, you'll get a 4-wheel light. I'll show you. This light shows you that the central differential is locked. One more thing I'm gonna tell you, that this car comes with, and most people think that it's a neutral. Neutral means once you put it in this one, push in neutral mode, the car comes in neutral. Or that means it's not in a 4-wheel drive mode. It's not like that. Car will be in 4-wheel drive high mode all the time. And a neutral mode is for towing. If you want to tow the car and you don't want to have a wear and tear on the gearbox, so you just push it, and like I do it, it will not come in neutral mode. You have to push it and hold it for a few seconds. Then this light, as you can see, this light will comes on. When this light will comes on, the car will be in neutral mode. Neutral mode means the gearbox is no more involved. All free tires, 4 tires are free, and it will be used for a towing mode. Thank you. Hope this video will help. If you have any question regarding Grand Vitara, let me know. I'm holding this car for a long time. This is a 2011 model car. I can answer your questions. Thank you.